wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahilladzi wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'da. Amma ba'd, fa'a'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul ja'al haqqu wa zahaqal batil. Shadaqallahul azim. Dear present, today I will speak on very important topic. The title of my talk is Jihad is in the path of Allah. The word jihad comes from the Arabic language. It means struggle, effort or striving. Jihad is not only about fighting. It means to struggle in every way for the sake of Allah. Quran on jihad. Allah says in the Quran, fight in every way fight in the way of Allah those who fight you, but do not transgress. Indeed, Allah does not love the transgressors. Allah also says, jihad is not only about fighting. Allah also says, strive with your wealth and your lives in the cause of Allah. That is better for you if you only knew. So jihad can be with wealth, with effort, and with sacrifice, not only with the sword. Hadith on jihad. The best jihad is the struggle against one's own will be sword. In another hadith he said, strive with your wealth against